In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run ads on Pinterest desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to launch a promoted pin from your computer with clear choices and settings that set you up for success. Start by opening Pinterest and heading to the Business Hub. You'll find it at the top left of the interface. From there, look for Manage Campaigns. This is your command center for everything advertising. Inside, click Create Campaign to begin setting up a new ad. Next, Pinterest will ask for your main objective. This simply tells the system what outcome to optimize for. You'll see options like conversions and consideration. Conversions are great when you're ready to drive actions on your site like purchases or signups. For this walkthrough, we'll choose consideration, which focuses on getting more clicks and traffic to your content. After selecting your objective, click Next to move forward. Now it's time to pick the creative. You can select existing pins you want to promote or create a new one right from the ads flow. For this example, choose to create a pin. Upload your media by dragging and dropping images or a video, or click to browse your files. Pinterest favors vertical formats that look natural in the feed, so aim for a tall aspect ratio and clear high-resolution visuals. Keep text minimal on the image and make the focal point obvious. Choose the board where this pin will live so it's properly organized on your profile. Then add your title. Make it specific and benefit-driven to increase click-throughs. In the description, expand on what the viewer will get. Use natural language and relevant keywords people might search for, but keep it readable and helpful. You can also add alt text to describe the image or video content. This improves accessibility and can reinforce context for your ad, especially if the visual includes products or a clear scene. Enter your destination link. This is where people land after clicking your ad, so make sure it matches the promise in your creative and loads quickly. Double check for typos and ensure it's the final URL you want users to visit. If your creative has been altered by AI in any way, click Mark as AI modified to keep everything compliant and transparent. When you're satisfied with your setup, click Publish. Your ad will process and begin serving based on your selections. That's it. You've launched a Pinterest ad from desktop. From here, keep an eye on performance in your campaign manager and refine your creative, targeting, and messaging as you learn what resonates.